Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by protecting yourself and the workspace. Chemical foam residue is sticky and volatile. Once suited up, depressurize and remove the foam cartridge so solvents contact only internal passages. Attach the solvent canister or pump garden type solvent through the inlet and actuate the trigger for 30 to 60 seconds to push dissolved foam out. This first flush breaks up living foam and prevents clogging deeper in the gun. Make sure solvent is compatible to avoid damaging seals or coatings. Next, disassemble the nozzle, air cap, and needle in the order your manual specifies because proper sequence prevents spring loss and misalignment. Once separated, soak metal and plastic parts in approved solvent for 5 to 10 minutes and scrub with a nylon brush to remove softened foam. Blow compressed air through small passages to clear residue and inspect O-rings and seals. Replace any that are nicked or hardened. Reassembly must be clean and lightly lubricated at sealed interfaces to maintain proper function. Reassemble the gun carefully in reverse order, making sure each seal seats properly and fittings are snug but not over-tightened. A light film of compatible lubricant on O-rings helps assembly. Once together, perform a solvent test fire to purge any remaining debris, then switch to a small foam cartridge and check spray pattern and flow. If you still see clogging or inconsistent spray, repeat the soak and brush routine or swap the needle/nozzle assembly. Those parts are the most common failure points.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.